Morning students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Right students? Okay. Today we will start our lesson, okay? From trial balance. The first that illustration I am going to start. One example they have given, because we have learnt in the trial balance is the third process, isn't it? Third process. The first process is preparing journal entries. Second process is preparing all the ledger accounts, and the third process is preparing the trial balance. Okay, that is what we need to prepare. So one example given, they have explained everything. Okay, commenced business with capital 5 lakh. Entry cash account debtor to Ratna Kumar's capital account. Then bought furniture for cash. Furniture account debtor to cash. Furniture purchased for cash. Then purchased goods for cash. Purchases account debtor to J. Purchases account debtor to cash. Then bought goods on credit from JND. So same, purchases account debtor to JND's account. Returned goods to JND. Here JND's account debtor to purchase returns. Sold goods for cash. Cash account debtor to sales account. Sold goods to Elizabeth on credit. So Elizabeth account debtor to sales. Paid salaries to Krishnan by cash. Here salaries account debtor to cash. Received commission from Kumar by cash. Here cash account debtor to commission received. Then received cash from Elizabeth. Cash account debtor to Elizabeth. Okay, all these are the entries they have entered. Then they have posted them in the ledger accounts. Okay, the first account, cash account. They have posted all the cash entries and they have balanced. By balance carried down to balance brought down. So it cash account is showing debit balance. Then Ratna's capital account, it is showing by balance brought down credit balance. Furniture account debit balance 6,000. Purchases account debit balance 35,000. JND account credit balance 22,500. Purchase returns account credit balance. Sales account credit balance. Elizabeth account debit balance. Salaries account debit balance. Commission account credit balance. Now we need to prepare the first account, trial balance C. Serial number, particulars, LF, debit balance, credit balance. Cash account. Here three methods are there. Okay. First one is balance method. So what is in the balance? That means the ledger account balance will be written. Okay. Cash account. Ratna Kumar capital account, furniture account, all accounts name that they have written. Okay. Then when we add, we will get the same amount. Okay students, that is the thing. Then total method, no, second method, total method. First one, balance method. We will write all the balances of the account. Here in the total method, we have to write the total. Debit side total, credit side total. We are not balancing. Okay. In the cash account, what is the debit side total? What is the credit side total? Here, Ratna Kumar only credit side total. Furniture account debit side total. Purchases debit side. Then Jayanti both the side. Purchase return credit. Then what if it is both the side, both the total. Only one side, there also if we add, we will get the same amount. In the last method, total and balance method. It is a combination of balance method and total method. We will write 4 amount column. Total, balance. Okay, debit side total, debit and credit to total, debit and credit to balance. Okay, but Here they will ask only the balance method. Okay, students. Then what is suspense account? That I will explain to you. Suspense account. What is suspense account? Sometimes this trial balance will not tally. That means both the side it will not get the same amount. Okay, one side will be having less total, other side we will get more total. Okay, so what we have to do, if there is difference, we need to locate the error. That means there are some errors that we have made. We need to locate that error. So it is not easy to locate the error within half an hour time or 10 minutes time. Okay. So since we locate the error, rectify the error, we have to rectify the error, isn't it? Until then, we must keep that difference amount in separate account. Okay, difference amount will be shown in the separate account, that is called suspense account. Okay, the difference amount we will write suspense. If it is less in debit side, we will write in the debit side total. Okay, 5,000 is less. Then we will write there and we will write the total here. Okay, that is called suspense account. Okay, students. Now we will learn the first illustration. Okay, first illustration. See, state whether the following balance of each of the following accounts should be placed in the debit or credit column of the trial balance. That means this one shows which balance you have to say. Sundry debtors, debit balance, isn't it? Sundry creditors, credit. Cash in hand, asset, debit. Bank overdraft, credit. Salary, expense, debit. Discount allowed, expense, debit. Plant and machinery, asset, debit. Furniture, asset, debit. Okay, so now we have to write format, serial number, name of account, debit balance or credit balance, sundry debtor, debit, creditors, credit, cash in hand, debit, bank overdraft, credit, salary, debit, discount allowed, debit, plant and machinery, debit, furniture, that's all. Okay, they have not given any amount. Then from the following balances extracted from the books of Raju, a trader on automobiles, prepare the trial balance as on 31st March 2017. Cash in hand, amount, discount received, creditors, buildings, opening stock, direct expenses, carriage outwards, capital, purchases, sales. Okay. Now, first number 1 to 3 we need to write and start. Cash in hand. Cash in hand, asset. So, debit side we have to write. Discount received. It is what? One, income. Income shows credit balance 300. Creditors. It is a liability. Credit side 15,000. Buildings. Write buildings. Asset. So, debit. Okay. Here, one format we have written, I have written, and another format given in the book that you have to learn by heart. Okay. Then, opening stock. That is also stock only. So, asset, debit side. Direct expenses. All expenses, debit balance. Credit carriage outward. This is also one expense only. So, debit. Capital, credit. Purchases, debit. Sales, credit. If you add correctly, if you write correctly, when you add, you will get the same amount. Okay. Then, two illustrations we have seen, isn't it? So we will see two problems here. Okay, 1 and 2 we will do it and see. Okay, see the problem, then we will do this. We need to write the columns. Okay, trial balance. First number, exercise 1, trial balance as on. Okay, date not given, so we will leave. Now I think you can better keep the book next to you. Okay, I cannot show both the notebook and the textbook simultaneously. Okay, students. So the first one, purchases 1 lakh. Okay, number 1, purchases. Purchases, debit balance, 1 lakh, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Then bank loan. Bank loan, liability, credit side, 75,000. Okay, debtors. Debtors asset, debit balance, 1,50,000. Stock. Stock asset, debit balance, 35,000. Then sales. Sales credit, 1,50,000. 1,50,000 we can write straight. Here 1 should be written. Then creditors, 50,000. Cash, 90,000. Capital, 1 lakh. Now we will add and check. Okay, we can add the same book itself. Okay, 0, 0, 0. Fourth digit 5, fifth digit 8, sixth digit 2. Here 1, 2, 3. Fourth digit 5, fifth digit 9, 14, 19, 20, 6. Sorry, capital will be coming this side, isn't it? Sorry, 90,000. Cash. Cash. This is correct. 5, 10 plus 7, 17, balance 0. Here, sales, creditors, cash, capital. We will check. 5, 8, 9, 8 plus written some amount wrongly. 5, 7 plus 5, 12 plus 5, 12 plus 5, 17, balance 1, 2, 3. Okay, here, right here, 3,75,000. Here, 5. Okay, then 9, 12, 17, balance 1, 2 plus 1. Okay, students, carry on to write total. That's okay. Now we will see the second problem. Prepare trial balance. Bank loan bills payable. So we will start doing it. Okay. Okay. I will draw it. Okay, number, particulars, LF, debit, credit, rupees. Okay, trial balance. Number 2, isn't it? Trial balance as on, not given. Okay, read it. Number 1, bank loan. We know bank loan is a liability. Okay. Liability, credit side, 2 lakh. Then bills payable. Bills payable also liability, 1 lakh. Stock. Stock is asset. So debit 70,000. Capital. Capital credit balance 2,50,000. Purchases. $1,80,000. Purchases debit, isn't it? 1,80,000. Sales. Sales credit balance 3 lakh. Then debtors. Debtors asset debit balance 4 lakh. Then bank 2 lakh. So asset. Bank overdraft liability, simply bank asset. Okay. So now you draw one line down, double line. Okay. Now we will add. First we should write 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 also 0. Then 5 only 5. Then here 5, 6, 8. Okay, here also 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 7 plus 8, 15. Balance 1, 3, 7, 8. Okay, right here total. Okay, students, then draw the full line. So one problem over. I think one more problem we can complete, isn't it? third one also. Chandramohan. So how we can write in the books of Chandramohan? Trial balance as on given there date 31st March 2017. Now you draw the line. Okay. Okay, number, particulars, or we can write name of account. Okay, then LF debit credit. Okay, first capital, number 1, capital credit balance, you know, isn't it? 1,24,500. Then 2, drawings, capital credit balance drawings, debit balance 2,000. Then loan borrowed, loan liability 7,000. So below this 4. Okay, 7,000. Sales also credit 53,400. So we can take this 53 then 4. Straightly you have to write. Then purchases 40,000. Purchases debit balance, isn't it? So this 4 0 then 3 0. Okay. Bank overdraft. Bank overdraft is a liability 5,800. 5,800. Motor car asset 20,000. General expenses, all expenses debit balance 2,500. Where I am writing 2, you see this one 4 digit. Building 1,10,000. Building asset here. So 1,10,000. Okay. Then stock also asset 16,200. Now draw one line. Okay, right, add and write. But it is better for you to add with pencil. Okay, because you do not know whether it is getting tallied. Okay, so you have to write with the pencil. Okay, then you can rub and write with the pen. 1 2 0, then 8 12 17, balance 1 6 9 10 16 20, balance 2 7 plus 2 9 1. So 1,90,700. Here also 2 5 plus 2 7 8 8 plus 2 10, balance 1 2 3 3 5 9, then 1. So 1,90,700. Now you draw double line. Okay, like this you draw double. Here you write total. Okay students, now you have understood. Okay, so I think we will stop by today by here. Okay. Then the remaining problems I will do and show the next day. Then today we can mark the third question also. Okay. What are the methods of preparation of trial balance? That one methods are given. Okay. That methods you can write. See, methods of preparation. Balance method. But it's very simple. Okay. One sentence you can write. That all the ledger account balances will be entered. Okay. That you write. Okay. Roman number 2, 3, third question. Yeah. Limitation, balance, everything we have marked. This one, that itself we have marked. Okay, students. So here also some of the problems they have omitted. That many problems are there. Okay, they have omitted. So we have less problems only. We can complete. Okay. I think by this week we can complete this. Okay, students. Okay, then do the problems and update your notebook. Thank you very much.